create an online course, but make it anonymous. Now, I know that you may be sitting back right now thinking, now, why in the world would I do that? Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. I've helped hundreds of creative entrepreneurs and business owners to take back their free time, generate additional revenue, and celebrate while living that work from anywhere lifestyle through creating online courses and digital education. So I'm super excited that you guys are here. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Right? Let's get it. Oh, hello. Welcome. What's going on? Awesome party peeps. It's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. I'm super excited to be back live. Today we're talking about create an online course, but make it anonymous. Now, I know that you may be sitting back right now thinking, now, why in the world would I do that? Right? Why would I do that? Because so many people want to create courses and they want the name, okay? They want to put their names out there. They want to create the personal brand. They want to do all these things. I'm going to tell you in a second really what the double entendre is when it comes to courses and how you can really start to embrace the anonymity that comes with getting the information out, but also building the personal brand. What's going on, IG? It's good to see you on as well. Hello, what's going on, YouTube family? If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when more episodes like this drop. And if you are joining me, welcome back, okay? All right, so let's get into this really quickly. When I say create a course but make it anonymous, what I mean by make it anonymous is the strategies. I'm not talking about you just putting information inside of your course that anybody can put inside of their courses, okay? That's not what I mean by anonymous. What I mean by anonymous is the principles that you are teaching inside of your programs and courses should be timeless. Okay, that's what I mean. Meaning after you're gone, long after you're gone, these principles still stand. This is what I teach inside of my classes for my clients that pay me the premium prices, right? I always talk about learning business strategies, learning business principles that you can apply to strategies. So course principles, business principles, all of those things are underlining all of the strategies that you see that currently trend. Okay, so every strategy can look different, but the principles underneath the strategy remain the same. So for your courses, when I say create a course but make it anonymous, I mean that you're going to create and put these principles inside of your programs that not anybody could have done, okay? But principles that will last, like have longevity, be sustainable. Now, here's the other piece of that, because you want to create a course that could be anonymous, but you also want to create a course that only you could have created. Sounds weird, right? Sounds like those things conflict and they go against each other, but really not when you think about it. You're creating the course that could be anonymous, meaning you could create these things that have these timeless principles inside of them, but also only you could have created it because you're using your life experiences. You're teaching from things that only you know. The way that you talk, the way that you bring strategies and information to your clients and help them develop, right? The students inside of your courses, only you could do that based on the life that you've lived. So it's so cool to create courses. This is why I love it, okay? You could create the course and you can make it anonymous, but guess what? When people come through your courses, they'll already know. Like, it's like your signature is already on it. You don't have to, it's your secret sauce, right? You don't have to necessarily proclaim that this is the course that you created because you're using your lived experiences to develop the timeless principles that you're teaching inside of there. Does that make sense? When I finally got this, I was like, yes. This is when I knew that I could charge more premium prices. Okay. If you are new here, by the way, we talk all things premium courses. So that's my jam. I love premium courses, luxury mentorship and coaching brands. I love my high performers and I love helping people get paid what it is that they're worth. Okay. Like your life experiences are worth more than you know. And there are people who will pay. What's going on, Raphael? Hello. I appreciate you this morning. Scylla, is it? Scylla-nella? I like your name. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Says yes. I'm glad that this is making sense. This is one of the things, like I said, that opened up premium pricing for me. So I have clients, I have different programs inside of my academy, and different people pay different prices depending on what it is that they want, right? So the way that I structure my programs are different, and here's what I've come to know. Some of my programs are still premium, right? So I might charge 10K for a program, and people are like, I like it, but I would rather pay you the 15 or 20K because I know I get access to you. I want more access to you. So pro tip, when you're developing your premium courses, luxury coaching programs, please remember that people do pay more for access. Okay, Raphael, I don't know you. I know that you may want some attention today. I hope that you have an amazing rest of your day. This is not what that channel is for, but enjoy your day. All right, and I appreciate you being here. So with all of that said, like, people pay more for more access. Okay, so you need to know that. And this is what I mean. This goes aligned with the title for today, like create the course in anonymity, meaning teaching the timeless principles, because the strategies and principles are still in the 10K program, right? There are strategies and principles there, but then I have another program that's 15K, another program that's 25K, right? And people want to pay for more access. They're like, I like it, but can I see you every week, right? Can I work directly with you? Those are the things that people really want to do inside of your premium program. So this is how I know that the other piece of the the anonymousness. Okay. How many times can we say anonymity? See? Okay, I got it. But the anonymousness, even if I made that word up, you get what I'm saying, right? Your program is important, yes, like the timeless principles, but like teaching from your lived experiences is where you're going to be able to charge more money, where you're going to be able to charge the premium prices and bring in the types of clients and people that you really want to work with. So that's what I wanted to bring today. Like, it's not all about necessarily having this claim to fame, if you will, like to put your name on a course. But it is about including your signature without necessarily needing to write your name on it. Okay. Your signature is, or your lived experiences. Your signature is your lived experiences, or includes your lived experiences. I want to say are so bad because it's plural, but your signature is your lived experiences. And then the strategies and principles that you teach inside of that course comes from your knowledge. It comes from your expertise, right? Like knowledge that you've gained throughout the lived experiences, but then you've been able to apply going forward. So I hope this helps. If you're interested in packaging your courses, you can get started at jumpfirstacademy.org. Okay, there's a free training over there that's going to walk you through my teach it method and show you exactly how to get it done step by step, so that you can move your course ideas forward, you can move this launch forward, and all those awesome things. Don't get so stuck on putting your name on something, signing your name on something. Put it inside the course. I love y'all so much. Again, I hope this inspires you forward. Keep believing in you, because I believe in you, and I'm looking forward to seeing more courses out in this awesome, beautiful world that we live in, so that you can impact more people. I'll see y'all back here tomorrow. Have an amazing day. Bye, y'all.